Okay, now this whole cover has to come off, otherwise I cannot access the components that I want to replace. The zinc anodes is placed right there behind a starter motor. It doesn't look so bad. I've seen worse on the other people's boats, but it should be changed. As for the zinc anodes, I bought the original parts from Yanmar catalog. There's a zinc anode here, and there are two gaskets. The small one that goes directly below the anodes, and there's another one that goes below the plate. If you find the gaskets are in a good condition, you don't need to change them, so you can save them for the next time. I've seen people trying to remove the zinc anodes by first removing the alternator, because it's presenting an obstacle if you want to access it with the normal tool. I'll try to do it without removing the alternator by using the ratchet spanner, and hopefully I'll be able to do it. Okay, it seems that I succeeded using the spanner. This little fellow is going out. I have to make sure that I hold it properly so it doesn't fall down in the bilge. Let's do the second one. With a little acrobatics, I successfully made it from this side. Below the alternator, I succeed putting the spanner, and yeah, it's more loose now, so I'll be able to remove this whole plate. This is how it looks on the engine block. What is interesting is that the gasket is in a relatively good condition and it's not damaged. And then you have to put the gasket back, and it's ready to be assembled again. This is as much as we could do with the fingers, and now we have to return back to this good old spanner. And that's it.
I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and please, as always, like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell button for notifications about future contents. Thanks again and see you soon.